Hi guys, hope you are doing well. In this tutorial I'm going to tell you how to add an extension in Chrome. So what is an extension? So extension is any additional feature that we can add in our existing software. So specifically if we talk about the Chrome extension, after adding that extension we can do an additional like work in our Chrome. For example, let's suppose I want to add an extension where in that extension I can able to draw something, for example. So let's see how we do that. To add an extension we have to click on extension icon here and we have to click on manage extensions. Then this page will come where your existing extensions will be visible and you can remove them or disable them, but as if you are doing it for first time you will unable to see these extensions. So what you have to do is then you have to click on the drawer on this main menu and then you have to open Chrome Web Store and you can search whatever you want to add in your Chrome, the additional feature that you want to add in Chrome. In my case I'm searching for any sketch app. For example, if I search SKE sketchpad, it is showing in suggestions. So there are three extensions here. Let's suppose we select first one. After selecting this it will show me add to Chrome. If I will click on add to Chrome, it will give me option of cancel and add extension. Definitely I will click on add extension. Now the extension is added and it immediately disappeared because I already have many extensions here, so it don't have any room to be visible there. So that's for to show that extension here we have to pin it. So first we will go here and we will click on pin icon. Now this extension is visible here, the sketchpad. Simply click on that extension. You can see that there is a sketchpad on your screen in your Chrome. So this is an additional feature added in your Chrome. Now I can write or draw anything. For example, this I can change the color of eyes, nose and this, and I want it to be saved. So for example, to save this one I can do many things in it, but as this tutorial is just to show how to add the extension, we already added the extension and we can save this above sketch. So for example, if I click on save, it's open in another window, and if I will right click on it and save image as, it will be saved as image. So yeah, that is an additional feature that we have added in our Chrome. So hope you like this video and enjoyed it. Thank you.